Hello cuties, welcome back, welcome to my channel. If you are new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for being here with me. And if you're not, hi, how are you? I'm so glad that you're here with me one more video. Today I will be planning on my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of September 23rd to September 29. I just show you the current week, and I will be using the Falling to Plans kit that is available in my shop. In case you don't know, my name is Sannia and I'm the owner of the sticker shop Lil Annabelle's Plans. I have kits available for Hobonichi Weeks, Erin Condren, Happy Planner, and B6, and pretty soon I will be releasing kits for the Prince Pressions planner. So right now I'm just lining the boxes area because I kind of like that, and I tend to do that on every week. I pull out two die cuts. One it's Annabelle, that's the blonde doll, and the other one it's Angelica, that's the one with the pumpkin and the brown hair. That is specifically the one with the pumpkin. It's going to be the freebie that I will be giving on this Friday during the UPS sale. My shop is offering 30% off during the sale, and that's one of the freebies. I will be doing them exclusively. None of those die cuts are available in the shop. It's just exclusive for the sale, and I will be personalize them with the name of the person that makes the order. So if you like to have one of the dolls with the pumpkin and your name, make sure to make an order during the sale. This time I'm just putting the lines. I always take this area to place the weather, just to track the weather for the week, and I place some simply gilded washi to divide that section. And now I'm taking the strip of the days of the week, and I will be including the bottom washi. As you can see, I struggle to place a sticker straight. But yeah, I think this kit, it looks so pretty. I love the colors. One of my dearest friends, Brittany from Coffee Planner Mom, was the person who gave me the idea of using those colors for the beginning of fall, and I think she did an amazing job helping me on that, because it gives you the vibes of the beginning of fall. And actually, happy first day of fall because today is the first day of fall. Now I'm taking the weekend banner, and I always like to do it in that area. And as you can see, that's Angelica and that's Annabelle. I was trying to decide which one, but since in one of my last spreads, if you haven't seen that, in my dashboard layout, my transformer planner, I place Jolene with the pumpkin on the floor, just like Annabelle. So I decided to take this time Angelica. And I think it looks adorable. I really like to incorporate sticker die cuts on my Hobonichi spreads. I think it looks adorable. Now I'm taking my phone and trying to see the weather for the week. But since I filmed this with a lot of time in advance, I couldn't have the rest of the week. That is why you will see me that I'm not going to include all the days, and it's because I didn't have them for that time. I will be put in the stickers of the weather as soon as I get the information. But yeah, how's your fall going on? Starting here, he's been changing the leaves. I live in Massachusetts, and it's been changing a lot. Now I can see the trees in front of my house, like all the leaves starting to fall. So yeah, it's very pretty. I like the way it looks, even though I'm not ready for the cold weather. Those date numbers are from my shop, and it's in made with silver foiled, and the sticker paper is clear matte. I took that box. It is like post-it and says plans for today, and it's because on the 29th is my son's birthday, my oldest. That is why you see me pulling out that stickers. That's Tete, one of our characters, with the cupcake, and it's to mark down that it's my son's birthday. And the great thing about that is that inside the post-it I can write my son's birthday, so it's very cool. So now I'm just trying to decide what I'm gonna do with full boxes and where I'm going to place them. I take that Hello Autumn. That's another item from my shop. It is in the small size. I have 2 sizes available, and that's the small one, and it works perfect with the boxes that I have for the Hobonichi Weeks. Now I'm deciding how I'm going to do it, but I changed my mind and I decided that I was gonna place all the food boxes in the left side of the page. And one of the things that I love about my stickers from my shop, it is that the paper is removable paper. That means that you can easily peel and remove your stickers and place them down. So it's very, very nice, especially with the Hobonichi Weeks, because the Hobonichi, if you don't know, the pages are very thin and you have to be very delicate with that type of paper. And as you can see, I struggle a little bit with putting that sticker straight, and I peel it off a lot of times, and it works perfectly for the paper. It didn't damage that at all. Now I will be placing another box. I want to apologize. This video was supposed to be uploaded for Saturday. I couldn't. I had some issues on Saturday with my internet and things like that, and I couldn't upload that. So I really apologize not to having it, and that's why I'm sharing this on Monday. I will keep trying to see if I can make a whole week from Monday to Saturday. It's been like a struggle since I decided to do this, but yeah, at least I'm doing some videos, right? This time I'm taking that area and write it gratitude. I will make it as a box. If you haven't seen my videos, I tend to do that. I love gratitude areas on my planner, and I try to always include them on my spreads. In the left side, I put all the boxes, the full boxes, like one full box in one day and the other one, like Monday a full box, Tuesday not a full box, and so on. And I think it looks adorable. I place Annabelle as a ballerina on Thursday to mark down that I have to take my daughter to ballet and tap class. Now I'm putting some checklists on the rest of the days, because this week is gonna be a very busy week. I have new releases and the sale, so many good things to come, and I need some checklist. Even though this planner, I use it as my on the go, I try to put the main important things as well, because I just want to cover my areas. Sometimes I feel that if I just use it just to on the go, it is kind of empty, and I love stickers. I don't want my planners to look kind of empty, so I include some things that I have to do in the house too. That is Angelica holding a pumpkin spice travel mug, and it is one of the releases from last time. It is available in my shop, and you can have them, the dolls, with coffee, tea, pumpkin spice, or coffee. That is Annabelle, and it says on the stickers, time to budget, and it's for reminding me that we have a bill on that day. And I decided to place Angelica Happy Work on Tuesday because I have tons of things to do for the sale. I will be struggling right now deciding where I'm gonna put Itzia. I was like, nope, but I ended up putting in Saturday. Not between. In the lines between Saturday and Sunday. I think it looks adorable. This time is Jolene. That's another character. I really like to place different characters from my shop because I love them all and I think it looks cute. And I haven't done a doll that really describe myself physically. All my dolls are inspired by other persons, my daughter, my family members, and things like that. But I haven't done anyone with like myself. I shouldn't do that. This sheet, it doesn't show the name because I took the back of the sticker paper just because it's easier for me. But it's hearts, tiny hearts and tiny bows in gold, in silver foil, and you can find it in my shop as well. And I placed one on the pumpkin and it looks so adorable. I love it. So now I'm telling you that I'm going to cover that area for the weather on another time. That's my spread for this week. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Let's do the dance. See you next time.